right? Safety must interview also.
Hi, this is Ma'am Lim. Ma'am Lim is from the...
Hey ma'am, cannot like that. We ask people
Ma'am
for
Lim
interview.
is from the engagement team. What does engagement team do? Let's ask Ma'am Lim. Okay, Ma'am Lim, what does engagement team do?
Okay, we are here to engage. That's what the team say. Engage people, motivate them, rah them, make sure that they enjoy the journey together with us for the NDP.
Okay, so how's engagement duties been doing?
Engagement duty, well, our line is all over the place. We do everything as long as we want to make sure all the parade participants are happy.
Okay, positive experience for all
Yes,
of them.
it's positive.
Okay.
Yeah, at least they have enjoyed the NDP 2010 together with us.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ma'am Lim.
Thank you.
Continue
See you.
engaging.
Oh yes, of course. Anyway, my team is here. This is Nathan, this is Arthur.
Okay,
The
Nathan.
other-
Okay, Nathan.
Nathan and Arthur.
Arthur. Okay, I believe you have a bigger team lah. We will go and find them
Oh yes,
along
yes,
the way.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.